Haruzetan Nowruz, Nowrozetan Piroz. Tomorrow, Persian, Afghan, Kurdish, Zoroastrian, Baha'i, Central Asian and Ismaili communities across Canada and around the world will celebrate Nowruz and the start of the Persian New Year. Typically, this is a time for friends and family to come together to share food around the half-seen table, enjoy music, reflect on the challenges of the past and set intentions for the future. But much like last Nowruz, this year's celebrations will also be different. As we continue to fight COVID-19, we must continue to follow public health guidelines. For many, that means they will spend the day alone or isolated. And for others, this will be another celebration spent without the loved ones lost in the Ukraine International Airlines tragedy. Je sais que c'est difficile, mais malgré la douleur et les difficultés de l'année qui vient de s'écouler, nous allons quand même célébrer ce nouveau jour et envisager un avenir meilleur. Nous allons trouver de nouvelles façons de nous rassembler et ensemble, nous allons profiter de cette occasion pour rendre hommage aux nombreuses communautés qui célèbrent cette journée ainsi qu'aux multiples contributions qu'elle apporte en vue de bâtir un Canada meilleur. My friends, we will get through this difficult time and we will come out a stronger and more united country. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Nowruz Piroz.